Tired of juggling multiple platforms for your important documents? Today, we're unlocking a Docusign power-up, seamlessly adding documents for complete record keeping. First, log into your Docusign account. You'll land on your dashboard. Click the New button in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Sign from the list. Now, it's time to add your documents. You can drag and drop files directly into the designated area, usually labeled something like Drop Files Here or Upload. Docusign supports various file formats, including PDF, Word documents, and more. Alternatively, click the Upload button. This will open your computer's file explorer, allowing you to browse and select the documents you want to add. Once uploaded, your documents will appear in a list within the Docusign envelope. You can rearrange them as needed by clicking and dragging them into the desired order. Now you can add recipients, assign signature fields, and complete the necessary tagging for all your documents. Remember to carefully place your signature fields. After everything is set up the way you want it, click the Send button. Your documents, now bundled together in Docusign, are ready for signatures and approvals. And there you have it. You've successfully added documents to Docusign, streamlining your document management process. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Docusign tips and tricks.